Hello everyone. We're going to make some no-bake cookies, and I've got 2 cups of sugar, a stick of butter, half a cup of milk, which I haven't added in here yet, 3 tablespoons of baking cocoa, and a dash of salt. And I will just combine all this and bring it to a boil, stirring constantly. This is a little different recipe than the other video I have on my channel. So after I get this combined and bring it to a boil, I'll take it off the heat and I'll be back. Okay, so we're going, and now we need a half a cup of peanut butter. And if you spray your cup, it doesn't stick as bad. You can get the peanut butter out. It also works good with honey like that too. Alright, then I need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And blend this in. Now, you all know that I am trying to get my health under control. So I'm on control and try not to eat any of these. Maybe a bite, maybe one. But everyone else will enjoy them. Alright, so when you get this blended in, you will add 3 cups of oats. Old-fashioned oats, or you can use quick oats. And then after you mix this together, then you'll drop by spoonfuls onto wax paper and let cool. And I'll link the video that I did on the ooey gooey no-bake cookies. I'll link that one also. Alright, so got this blended together good. I'm going to put it on wax paper. And then I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Thank you.